I'm in Freeport, Maine. My battery is all charged up, but no sun, nothing. So every sort of 2 days I have to go into camping to reload. But I want to show you this little camping. Look how cool that is. I don't know who did this, but this guy is amazing with this lady. I don't know. There's no signed name or anything. How cool is that? See? So it's a really cute campground. See my van up there? Look at what they carved, sitting areas. Nice. And they have a little sort of lake. Well, a pond. That's where the fountain is there. But look, kids can have fun here. There's a volleyball. So this is the pond. So kids can really, learn how to kayak here and not be in danger. Swings everywhere. It's really nice. I mean, it's a little campground. And that's where the laundry is. And they even have a bathtub for dogs. So animals are really welcome here. It's really nice. I wanted to go to another campground in Ogunquit, but they wanted me to get a COVID checkup or test. A game room. So this is the game room and the laundry. So there are showers and bathrooms, but because of COVID, you can only use the shower outside. Dishwashing station, which I'm gonna do tonight. Showers. Oh, yeah. That's what this little camping is all about. It's really cute. I mean, it's $50. What do you want? $50. In a hotel, it would have cost me 69 something, with tax, whatever. So I prefer to be in nature. Oh, here are the little cabins that they rent. You see? So cute. I'm sure it's pretty inside. Yeah, it's really cool. Electricity, they have 110, they have 30 amps, 50 amps. So it's really well, and they're really like new. Everything is sort of new. The electricity and the plumbing, you can see that everything is spick and span and pretty much new. So I'm really happy about this, and this is like right beside Highway 1. Hey guys, I just passed the Canadian border. Yeah, they went through my van and they saw my birds and they took my pepper spray. I'm in New Brunswick and I'm going towards my son Mark in Gaspe. I'll see if I find a place to sleep before. I will. If not, I will continue. So it's going well, and I hope my phone will give me my route until I get there, because my phone is not good here. So I have to look for a store to get me a Canadian SIM card. So hopefully I can do that and be online at all times. And I'm so happy I passed the lines, and they were really nice with me. Really nice. So I'm in Canada for a little while. I might be here for until spring, because I might wait for spring to go to Europe because I don't want to freeze my butt off. I decided to come right away because they were starting to ask for a 72-hour test of COVID in Maine, even to camp. So I didn't want to go through this and in every little town and having a problem with that. So I said, and it's not really fun to travel into little towns when everybody's with a mask and everything is like half closed. So I might do this trip again when COVID will be finished because I really liked the East Coast. The weather really didn't help. So anyways, I'm glad. I'm gonna see my son tonight or tomorrow morning. And you guys, I'll talk to you when I get there. Bye. Hi guys. It's been 12 days of quarantine in my van, just going to the garden and pick up vegetables. And when I'm alone in the house, when the kids are at school, and I wear a mask and I go and cook alone, because when she is out to work and he is out in the field, the daddy, and their names are Joel, Annie, and the little cutie is Felix and Lily. So it's really a beautiful family that my son is helping during the whole year, because he's doing a project of filming this family and filming Gaspe and the area, and to return to the sources of farming, which is incredibly interesting and really, how would you say, it's doable, like if everybody would go back to a very simple life and cultivate their own vegetables and doing their own thing, I don't think there would be a problem. But what do you want? What do you want to do? This civilization is like, wants to be on top. It wants to have that big house and 3 cars and whatever. So it's not, I don't think it will be possible, but we're hoping with this film, I mean, my son is hoping with this film it's going to help. Look, that's the house, and I'm going to show it to you. You see, that's the cow in the back. My son and I, and we got a nice flower, like wildflower thing. And my van is doing great, like my bird. The only thing I have to tell you, I lost one. Lulu got away while, a door was open, and she got into the crease of the net, and she went out, and the cat got her right away. So there was no chance for her. But Blue is still here with me. Oh, you miss it. It's really sad that happened. Oh well, that's life, I guess. So anyways, you guys, I will see you in a few minutes getting onions, and I'm gonna show you as soon as they go to work. I'm gonna show you the house and around, so you know what's going on. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Alors c'est Marc. Ouais. Et hier j'ai regardé le film en noir et blanc qu'il a fait de la place et de l'histoire un petit peu et du feeling de la place. Puis c'était vraiment beau. J'ai bien hâte que tout le monde voit ça. Tu peux être fier de toi, maman. Super beau. Et voilà. Il faut les faire sécher pendant combien de temps, Marc?
Pendant 2-3 jours.
Pendant 2-3 jours, pas de pluie, là. Ben, même s'il y a de la pluie, c'est pas grave. Avec du vent. Ben là, c'est une bonne journée pour ça.
Plus comme une croûte.
Ouais, comme une croûte.
Pour tout l'hiver.
Ah, OK. Ça la protège pour tout l'hiver.
Ouais, si tu veux les garder 1 an, ben, faut qu'il y ait dessus.
Ouais.
Mais tu vois, il a déjà formé la peau,
Oui, c'est bon.
mais la peau, elle a besoin d'être plus sèche.
Hey, c'est bon, hein?
Tout ça,
Tout ça.
mais ça va être... La moitié de ma planche, c'est un rack bleu.
Ah bon? C'est ça, c'est bon. Puis là, ben, y a-tu d'autres racks? Ah oui, OK, il y a d'autres racks là-bas.
Ouais, puis on va aller en chercher d'autres en bas.
C'est bien?
Ouais.